Tiny facts about.
Ever rub your eyes and hear that weird crunch crunch sound? Relax. Your eyeball isn't turning into chips. It's just tiny pockets of air and tear fluid squishing around when you press your eyelid. Totally normal. Happens to tons of people, especially when your eyes are a little dry. And sometimes the sound comes from your eyelashes brushing the surface, which is more cute than scary. So, next time you hear it, don't panic. Your eyes aren't fragile. They're just chatty.
Great. Another tiny fact I didn't need.